Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best screw extractors on the market, that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Irwin Tools Hanson 53227 hex head multi-spline screw extractor set, 25-piece. Wide range of sizes. This Hanson 53227 multi-spline screw extractor set consists of a wide variety of sizes ranging from inches to inches. Each extractor has the size etched on it, making it easy to find what you need. Versatile tasks. Unlike most screw extractors, this one can deal with all kinds of screws including rusted, painted, jammed, seized, and broken ones as well. The construction of these extractors is such that they exert an excellent amount of torque onto the screws, as a result of which even the most stubborn of screws are removed with great ease. Gripping power. Since these are left-hand aggressive spiral design screw extractors, they provide good gripping power. At number 4. Alden 8440P Pro Grabit Broken Bolt and Damaged Screw Extractor 4-piece kit. Variety of sizes. This 4-piece kit set consists of extractors that offers a wide range. It can remove bolts ranging from 5 mm to 8 mm and drill fasteners from grade 8 to grade 10.9. Extremely durable, the extractors are made up of high-end steel M2HSS and work with all kinds of fasteners. Unlike other screw extractors, this one is tampered twice, hence is a lot more durable. You can also remove tamper-resistant screws with Alden 8440P quite easily. Works with many applications. With this extractor set, you can remove both alloy and soft screws from multiple surfaces including plastic, wood, and metal. This is a great option as it offers good versatility. Ideal for damaged screws, these 4 pieces of extractors are crafted from high-grade steel that can form a firm grip on bolts. In fact, it can work with damaged and broken screws and bolts, too. At number 3. Vamplier Professional Tools International VT001 Vampliers Portable 6.25. Patented screw extraction pliers. Ideal for broken bolts and screws, the pliers are serrated and let you remove damaged, rusted, and painted screws and bolts without breaking a sweat. Excellent grip. You can use the kit for hours without having to worry about pain or discomfort thanks to its elastomer ergonomic hand grip. It's not only comfortable and safer but also easier to handle. Works for irregular screw heads. Some screws have unique heads on them which are hard to remove because most pliers can't form a nice grip on them. You will not face such problems with this beauty as it is designed to work with tampered, resistant, and special head screws such as torque screws. At number 2. Irwin Hanson Bolt Grip Bolt Extractor Base Set, 5-piece. Reverse spiral flutes. These sit on the bolts tightly and can do the job without having to put a lot of effort, no matter how hard the grip is. Durable extractors. All the 5 pieces that come with this set are made up of hard carbon steel which is almost indestructible. Therefore, you can expect this set to work for a long time and always aid you in times of need. Removes damaged bolts. Bolts that are not touched for years often get seized up and are quite difficult to remove. A tremendous amount of strength is required when you try to free them with common tools. However, with the right-sized bolt extractor from this set, you can remove rusted, painted, and damaged bolts in no time. And finally at number 1. Neiko 01925A Screw Extractor and Left-Hand Drill Bit Set, 10-piece. Spiral flutes. Spiral flutes are used to remove both loose and jammed fasteners. They offer good torque and make the job easier. Moreover, the flutes are designed to take care of broken studs and screws as well. Rusty and painted screws won't be a problem anymore if you have the Neiko screw extractor set. Lightweight. Neiko extractors come in a durable metal case that you can take along anywhere as it is quite lightweight. This makes it portable and a perfect option for professionals who visit homes and sites to do the job. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.